Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our language learning adventure. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of Spanish vocabulary, and our focus is on the word family. That's right. You'll be learning how to talk about family in Spanish with simple examples you can start using right away. Remember, I'll say the sentence in English first, and then I'll follow with the Spanish translation. Speak along with me, nice and slow. Let's start. First word, family. In Spanish, we say familia. Easy, right? Family, familia. My family is very big. Mi familia es muy grande. Great job. Now let's talk about the word mother. In Spanish, it's madre. Listen carefully, mother, madre. Okay, my mother loves chocolate. Mi madre ama el chocolate. Next, let's learn the word father. In Spanish, it's
Padre,
repeat after me, father.
padre,
Wonderful. My father likes soccer. Mi padre le gusta el fútbol. Now let's try brother. In Spanish, it's
Hermano,
let's say it together, brother.
hermano,
Perfect. My brother plays the guitar. Mi hermano toca la guitarra. How about sister? In Spanish, we say
hermana,
slowly now, sister.
hermana,
Great. My sister studies every day. Mi hermana estudia todos los días. Now, let's move on to son. In Spanish, we say,
hijo,
repeat after me, son.
hijo,
Fantastic. My son plays basketball. Mi hijo juega al baloncesto. Let's try daughter. In Spanish, it's
hija,
slowly now, daughter.
hija,
Excellent work. My daughter sings beautifully. Mi hija canta hermosamente. Let's add the word grandmother. In Spanish, it's abuela. Say it with me, grandmother. Abuela. Excellent. My grandmother makes the best cookies. Mi abuela hace las mejores galletas. And for grandfather, we say abuelo. Repeat grandfather, abuelo. Nice. My grandfather tells amazing stories. Mi abuelo cuenta historias increíbles. How about nieto? Let's continue with grandson. In Spanish, it's
nieto,
say it with me, grandson.
nieto,
Fantastic. My grandson loves to paint. Mi nieto ama pintar. Now the word granddaughter. In Spanish, it's nieta. Repeat after me, granddaughter. Nieta. Great. My granddaughter reads fairy tales. Mi nieta lee cuentos de hadas. Let's try uncle. In Spanish, it's tío. Say it slowly, uncle, tío. Awesome. My uncle is a funny man. Mi tío es un hombre gracioso. Now for aunt. In Spanish, we say tía. Let's say it together, aunt, tía. Nice. My aunt is very kind. Mi tía es muy amable. Let's learn cousin. For a male cousin, we say primo. Repeat cousin male, primo. Good. My cousin plays chess. Mi primo juega al ajedrez. For a female cousin, we say prima. Slowly now, cousin female, prima. Excellent. My cousin likes to draw. Mi prima le gusta dibujar. Now we'll learn nephew. In Spanish, we say sobrino. Try it, nephew, sobrino. Well done. My nephew enjoys skateboarding. My nephew enjoys skateboarding. Mi sobrino disfruta andar en patineta. Now let's learn niece. In Spanish, we say sobrina. Slowly now, niece, sobrina. Excellent. My niece loves to dance. Mi sobrina ama bailar. Next up, the word parents. In Spanish, it's
padres,
let's say it together, parents.
padres,
Great. My parents are very supportive. Mis padres son muy comprensivos. How about siblings? In Spanish, we say,
hermanos,
repeat after me, siblings.
hermanos,
Good job. My siblings and I watch movies together. Mis hermanos y yo vemos películas juntos. Great. Let's continue our family vocabulary journey. The next word is husband. In Spanish, we say esposo. Let's say it together, husband, esposo. Wonderful. Her husband is very talented. Su esposo es muy talentoso. Now let's learn wife. In Spanish, it's esposa. Slowly now, wife, esposa. Excellent. His wife is an amazing cook. Su esposa es una cocinera increíble. Also, you can use esposo as marido. For example, my husband is a great musician. Mi marido es un gran músico. Let's move on to the word children. In Spanish, we say,
hijos,
say it with me, children.
hijos,
Perfect. Their children are very polite. Sus hijos son muy educados. Now let's move to relative. In Spanish, we say pariente. Repeat relative. Pariente. Excellent. Every relative came to the wedding. Cada pariente vino a la boda. Next, let's learn the word in-laws. In Spanish, it's suegros. Repeat after me, in-laws. Suegros. Great. My in-laws live in another city. Mis suegros viven en otra ciudad. Now let's talk about brother-in-law. In Spanish, we say cuñado. Slowly now, brother-in-law, cuñado. Excellent. My brother-in-law is very friendly. Mi cuñado es muy amigable. For sister-in-law, we say cuñada. Say it with me, sister-in-law, cuñada. Fantastic. My sister-in-law is a great teacher. Mi cuñada es una gran maestra. Let's continue with son-in-law. In Spanish, we say yerno. Repeat after me, yerno. Great. My son-in-law is very hardworking. Mi yerno es muy trabajador. Now, let's learn daughter-in-law. In Spanish, it's nuera. Slowly now, daughter-in-law, nuera. Excellent. My daughter-in-law is very kind. Mi nuera es muy amable. And how about stepfather? In Spanish, we say,
padrastro,
say it with me, stepfather.
padrastro,
Nice. My stepfather cooks delicious meals. Mi padrastro cocina comidas deliciosas. For stepmother, we say madrastra. Slowly now, stepmother, madrastra. Wonderful. My stepmother is very patient. Mi madrastra es muy paciente. Let's learn stepson. In Spanish, it's
hijastro,
repeat stepson.
hijastro,
Well done. My stepson loves video games. Mi hijastro ama los videojuegos. For stepdaughter, we say
hijastra,
it with me, stepdaughter.
hijastra,
Perfect. My stepdaughter is very creative. Mi hijastra es muy creativa. Now for the last one, godfather. In Spanish, we say padrino. Slowly now, godfather, padrino. Great. My godfather always gives me good advice. Mi padrino siempre me da buenos consejos. And for godmother, we say madrina. Say it with me, godmother, madrina. Excellent. My godmother is like a second mother to me. Mi madrina es como una segunda madre para mí. For
soltero,
the word single in Spanish is
Soltero.
for a man and
soltera,
for a woman. Slowly now, single male,
soltero,
single female.
soltera,
Great. I am single and happy. Estoy soltero y feliz. For a male, or estoy soltera y feliz for a female. Let's learn married. In Spanish, we say casado for a man and casada for a woman. Repeat after me. Married male, casado married female, casada. Nice work. They are married. Ellos están casados. Let's try divorced. In Spanish, it's divorciado for a man and divorciada for a woman. Say it with me. Divorced male, divorciado. Divorced female, divorciada. Perfect. She is divorced. Ella está divorciada. Now, let's learn the word widower. In Spanish, we say viudo for a man and viuda for a woman. Slowly now, widower male. Viudo, widow, female, viuda. Excellent. He is a widower. Él es viudo. Or she is a widow. Ella es viuda. You've done an amazing job learning all these family-related words today. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to repeat these examples and use them in your daily conversations. Learning a new language takes time and patience, but you're doing great. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. See you next time. Keep speaking and have fun. Adios.